Hello friends, welcome to RSK-Code tutorial. I am your instructor Saurabh Srivastav. Now in this video, let us go through Java 16 features and introduction to next LTS version, that is Java 17. After Java 15 in March 2021 we got Java 16. Following features we got in Java 16. First is pattern matching for instance of. In Java 16, this feature finally got production ready with two refinements. Next, we got records. In Java 16, record also become production ready. We got new stream methods in Java 16, like stream.toList. This is to terminate a stream into a list, and we got stream.mapMulti. This is to merge collections contained in a stream into a single collection. We got experimental features like sealed classes got a second preview. A new vector API as an incubator feature is added for mathematical usage for vector calculus. Next, foreign linker API has been added as an incubator feature, and foreign memory access API got third incubator feature in Java 16. In Java 16, we got packaging tool. It is a J package, a new packaging tool and a replacement of Java packager which was used earlier. We got few performance improvement in Java 16 for Z garbage collector. We got concurrent thread stack processing. It further improved this Z garbage collector by making the processing of thread stacks concurrent. Next, Java 16 optimized metaspace, now called as elastic metaspace, a place where JVM keeps meta information of classes. In Java 16, it introduced Unix domain secret channel support, which are used for inter-process communication within a host. Java 17 released on 14 September 2021 after 5 interim versions from Java 12 to Java 16. Java 17 has free upgrades until September 2026 and paid support until September 2029. It has following features like sealed classes and interfaces, strong encapsulation in JDK internals. It has added instance source class for datetime features. It has hex formatting and parsing utility. Also, new pseudo-random numbers generator Java 17 has given to us. We will see some previews and deprecations in Java 17, and it has some other features also which we will see in our upcoming videos. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.